Hi, Clay County 4-H. This is Annie Sheldon Bilal, your Family and Consumer Sciences Extension Agent. Although I'm very sad that we won't be able to see each other face to face at our annual Holiday Bakeoff, I am excited to announce this opportunity. Our 2020 4-H Holiday Bakeoff is going virtual. We want you to record a 3-minute video that teaches people about your Holiday Bakeoff item. Your bake-off item can be for any fall or winter holiday, and it must be a dessert or bread that is baked. Your Teach Me in 3 video should introduce us to yourself, the item by sharing the recipe, explain how it's made, and showcase the final product. We will be giving away 4 $25 Amazon gift cards. You can count this towards your Clover Award submission, and this will count as a presentation. Here are the rules. Youth must be a Clay County 4-H member to participate. A media release must be on file. If one is not on file, we will contact you. Videos must be at least 2 minutes and 30 seconds and not longer than 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Videos must be submitted to the Clay County 4-H office by November 20th through our Google form. Now, to determine the winners of the $25 Amazon gift cards. Each video will be judged by a panel of judges for creativity and originality. And the top video from each age division, junior, intermediate, senior, will be awarded a $25 gift card. We will also be having a fan favorite contest through YouTube. The video with the most likes on YouTube will be the winner and get a $25 Amazon gift card. Clover buds will be included. Be sure to share with family and friends to have them help you out in the voting. The video with the most likes between November 21st and December 10th will be the winner of the gift card. In the event of a tie, a random drawing will occur between the videos tied for the most likes. All entries will be posted to the Clay County 4-H YouTube channel by the Clay County 4-H office and put into a playlist. The playlist will then be posted to the Clay County 4-H Facebook page to encourage participation by our Facebook followers. I look forward to seeing all of your amazing submissions. Good luck, happy baking, and happy holidays from the UF IFAS Extension and Clay County 4-H.